Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. Imagine hitting the road with everything you need packed into a compact, three-wheeled camper. In 2025, the Tricycle RV Camper is changing the way people travel. With its futuristic design, lightweight body, and all-in-one features, this tiny house on wheels offers freedom like never before. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or just someone looking for a new adventure, this could be your perfect travel companion. The concept of tricycle campers isn't entirely new, but the 2025 models take things to another level. These ultra-light campers combine the efficiency of an electric or hybrid trike with the comfort of a small RV. Designed for urban explorers and off-grid travelers alike, they provide everything you need for a comfortable journey without the bulk of a traditional camper van. At first glance, you might think a tricycle camper is too small to be practical, but don't be fooled by its size. Engineers have packed these compact homes with smart storage, energy-efficient appliances, and even solar power. Plus, with the rising cost of fuel, the ability to run on electricity or a hybrid system makes it an economical choice. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is built with aerodynamics and efficiency in mind. Its lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum frame help keep it stable and easy to maneuver. Unlike bulky RVs, you can take this tiny camper almost anywhere, through city streets, on bike paths, and even into remote camping spots where larger vehicles can't go. Inside, the design is all about maximizing space. A fold-out bed, a compact kitchen with an induction stove, and a small fridge make up the essentials. Some models even include a tiny shower and composting toilet, making them fully self-sufficient for extended trips. Smart storage solutions, like hidden compartments and multi-purpose furniture, ensure every inch of space is used efficiently. For power, most tricycle RV campers come equipped with solar panels that charge a built-in battery pack. This provides enough energy for lights, cooking, and even small electronic devices like laptops and phones. Some models offer an optional wind turbine for extra energy generation, making them even more sustainable for off-grid adventures. One of the biggest advantages of the Tricycle RV Camper is its ease of use. Unlike full-sized RVs, which require special licenses or experience to drive, these campers can be operated just like an electric bike or scooter. The electric motor provides a smooth ride, with a top speed of around 30 to 40 miles per hour, perfect for city cruising or scenic backroads. Range varies depending on the battery size, but most models can travel between 60 to 150 miles on a single charge. For longer trips, portable solar charging stations or battery swap options make it easy to extend your journey. And because of its small footprint, parking is never an issue. You can fit almost anywhere a motorcycle or bicycle can. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is perfect for a variety of travelers. Solo adventurers looking for a minimalistic way to explore the world will love its simplicity. Digital nomads can turn it into a mobile office, taking their work on the road without worrying about high fuel costs. Even retirees who want a slow-paced travel experience can enjoy the freedom it offers. For city dwellers, the Tricycle Camper is a game-changer. Traditional RVs are often too big and inconvenient for urban environments, but this compact camper allows you to camp anywhere, from scenic parks to hidden spots within the city. Of course, the Tricycle RV Camper isn't perfect for everyone. If you're used to the space and luxury of a full-sized RV, the small living quarters might take some getting used to. Storage is minimal, meaning you'll need to pack light and prioritize essentials. Weather conditions are another factor. While modern tricycle campers come with insulation and weatherproofing, extreme conditions like heavy snow or storms might not be ideal for long-term travel. However, with proper planning and the right gear, many travelers find ways to make it work. As the world shifts toward more sustainable and efficient ways of traveling, the Tricycle RV Camper is becoming a serious contender in the market. Companies are constantly improving designs, adding new features, and increasing efficiency. With advances in battery technology and lightweight materials, we can expect even more impressive models in the coming years. Governments and city planners are also recognizing the benefits of small, eco-friendly vehicles. More cities are adapting their infrastructure to accommodate compact electric campers, with dedicated lanes and charging stations becoming more common. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is redefining adventure and travel. It's a compact, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly alternative to traditional RVs, perfect for those who want freedom without the hassle of a large vehicle. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape or a full-time mobile lifestyle, this little camper proves that sometimes, a less is more. So, what do you think? Would you travel in a Tricycle RV camper? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique travel ideas. See you on the road.